Oh my gosh. Maybe I should call Amanda right
Yeah.
now. But she said call me back. You guys are having you wondering, what is this now?
Me too. And if you don't, I was about to say,
Is it a
if you
joke
don't
or-
hurry up, I'll rip it open myself. Yeah. What is
It's
it?
just it's a dildo.
What is
It's
it?
a dildo.
Yeah.
Big one
A big
too,
one.
huge
Flop
and
down.
heavy too.
Big black
Yeah.
Big black
Yeah.
mandingo.
Yes, tree
What?
trunk, tree stump,
Oh my god.
baby arm.
Is it gone? Come on, pick up. There she is. Hello? So I'm getting ready to open this.
Okay.
Oh my god. What is this, Amanda?
So it's a big black cock.
Oh my gosh. It's the cake thing. It's so crazy because my cousin, Tylee, just got one today. And I was like, looking at it and I was like, I want one of those. Thank you, girl. Yeah, now I can make some. I can make donuts. And everything.
Donuts.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Fancy.
Because it's about to go
Real,
down.
it's
Oh.
about to go
Oh,
down.
damn. Cookie Wookie is now going to offer cake pops and donut pops.
Get down.
Coming to a store
Oh, it does.
near
It
you.
does. Oh, for real?
Yeah, you can make donuts.
Oh, we got to get those on.
You can make donuts,
Yeah.
huh?
It really is about to go down. Good job on that. That's a gift that helps all of us.
You
Yes.
say what?
I mean, that's a good thing. I was going to say that, but I wouldn't
Lonnie
be
said
rude.
it's a gift for all
Oh,
of us.
I was about to say, let's go test it out right now.
I
You
didn't
know
hear
what I
what
mean?
you said.
Let's take it to the crib. And the crib mean
You said what?
kitchen.